What are you doing?
I'm carving my pumpkin. What are you doing?
I'm listening to the thumping noises.
Yeah.
Just keep carving. Making Halloween. Making Halloween. So what's it say there first?
Oh, what does my shirt say? If the zombies chase us, I'm tripping you.
You're just so nice to everybody.
I know. A creepy little crow. What's up, everybody? Hanging out with my buddy Jack Skellington.
Getting ready to start off Halloween. We should be getting some people here soon. Alright. So we've done up the yard here, haven't we, Vanessa?
Yeah, we have. Happy Halloween, everybody.
You're gonna have to like put a beret or something in that, hey?
It's a little bit too big, but that's okay. All right, well, got the little pumpkin patch right here. Better watch out for all those dead bodies.
It's the one time of year you can hide them and nobody knows.
Yeah. You got the pumpkin that's gonna steal everything. He's gonna steal your candy.
He reminds me of the one from Scooby-Doo when they get into things. Oh, Frankenstein was on a bender. Holy.
Frankenstein had himself a blast.
Man. He was face down in the mud. He got it good. Even our cat is like falling over. Oh, Frankenstein can't keep his head on straight. Oh no, not Frankenstein. Oh no.
That's funny. His head's all, you know.
He's got too many rocks in there, Ness.
There we go. Stay up? Probably not.
Question is how long? All right, all the way up here to the front of the driveway. Woo.
You can see the whole house. I mean, yard.
Got a little bit of everything. So this is what it looks like during the daytime. We still got a bunch of lights to stick out. And we'll get to that here this afternoon. And we'll do this again after it gets dark and you guys can see all the flashes. Oh, gotta fix that ghost. I'm gonna go fix our fallen over cat. It looks like the cat here got his tongue stuck on the grass. Got his tongue stuck on the grass. Shake it, cat. It's better. Still looks like it's trying to be mounted or something. Woo. All right, so this is what we're putting in our gift bags this year. Somebody likes to go a little overboard. Yes, those are full-size chocolate bars. Play-Doh, chips, lots of cool glow sticks, little games, a various bucket of everything. Some fruit juices. Nobody likes Pops anymore, I know that, right? Oh yeah, definitely the Welch's. Made some gift bags. We're gonna serve them out on a tray for everybody. What you got inside? Ooh. We still need to add a couple more things to these ones.
Yeah, those are my more plain ones.
Look at all those goodies in there.
All that peanut-free stuff.
Peanut-free section. And then over to the peanut-y section.
To the mix of nuts and not. For all those nutty people.
I don't know how many we're going to get this year, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Alright, as you can see, we've already started a few times. But let's get Halloween started off with a bang. Yeehaw! And here we have Pyro Ness. She's about to invite all those kids in for a good time.
They're hoping for animal treatment though. Oh, they're so loud.
What? We just set off everything. We can definitely have some of this stuff. It's what's gonna keep us alive. It keeps away zombies, don't you know?
It definitely does.
This is how you stay healthy, people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink Red Bull. Don't drink Monster or Rockstar or anything else.
You drink Monster, you turn into a monster. Even if it's the good green kind.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have these. Ness just went outside. I'm gonna throw one at her. Gonna get Ness.
Jerk.
First trick-or-treaters, better grab the treats. Wait for them to knock. Are they gonna knock? The anticipation is building. Gotta grab it the other way. Flip it. Here they come. Trick-or-treat. How's it going, guys? Doing well. Come on out, Ness.
Hi guys!
We're being super loud.
It's not as if it's not loud enough.
Yeah.
All right, next batch of kids are coming down. Spied 2, did you?
I did.
All right.
And they were like kind of deciding if they were going to come down here or not.
Oh yeah, here they come.
Yeah.
Here they come. How many this time, Vanessa?
4 more.
We're up to 9 now.
Woohoo! We got 9 kids so far. Yay.
Our Halloween counter. It's getting a little nutty now. We might have our next big batch here. I'm kind of getting all nervous because all the kids, they walk past the house and then it's like, ooh, what are they doing? Are they going up the street or what are they doing? Oh, maybe they're coming. Maybe Misha says there's coming. There might be someone coming. What are you spying, Ness?
Kids.
Are they coming down the driveway?
They are coming down the driveway.
How many do we have?
2 little kids.
I'm just making sure everybody knows that we got our... we're getting ready. Everything's getting flashy. There's people coming around. We're almost at record-breaking amount of kids already.
I know, it's awesome.
All right, going over to the neighbors. We're going to go all the way across the street over here. With the gift. We're going to reverse Halloween here. Here we go. Doing the reverse Halloween here. Trick, not a treat.
Oh, I thought you were actually saying trick-or-treating. I was like, oh, more kids. That's sweet, Chad. Oh my god.
It's for you to come over next year. See? Told you. Reverse trick-or-treating here. All right, coming down the driveway. We start to see some of the lights. Cat's got one eye that works. It's a wily cat right beside Mr. I can't keep my head up straight. Ghost. It normally changes colors. You'll see that soon. Mr. Pumpkin. Celebrate the graves. Pumpkin patch. Oh, Ness is going to shoot a firework off at me.
That may or may not go off. That sucks.
Haha. Didn't get me. Doesn't work backwards.
We'll wake everybody up.
All right, so as you can see, everything's kind of all getting all lit up here.
Yeah. Our awesome yard. Got my awesome color changing ghost. My black cat with red flashing eyes. A ghost hanging with his pumpkin friends. The pumpkin that's gonna steal your candy. Chad trying to be funny. Got our pumpkin patch over there. And then one of our newer ones. Where I got the awesome dinosaur. You can turn our
Well, that was anticlimactic. We are coming down. We have had, so far, counter says 21.
21 kids.
It's our best year by 5 so far.
Coming down to the end of it. We got the last couple goodie bags.
But yeah, we got those, and we're expecting 4 more kids. They are our SP'd, or however you say it, RSVP'd.
Yeah.
And
And then
that's going to set us to 25. which in my opinion is going to be very hard to beat next year.
Definitely.
We're going to have to go hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new start for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Speakers can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd jobs to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold. I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home. It's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though. It's hip hop, you know, or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rocking on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make.
Can't really see it, but we started a fireworks war with the neighbors down over there and somewhere over there. I have a feeling it's gonna go all night. Woo! This is what happens on Dog Creek. But tonight is gonna be a good night. That was pretty cool.
They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension and my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my ascension, taking action and progressing. That's what makes them scared.
Fireworks is so much fun.
My tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams
And that's why they should love it down there. Woo! Yay! Some little kid, some people just yelled, "We love your fireworks! We rock!" Are you awake now?
taking that crown from you. So let me break it on down for you. I ain't never giving up. You know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't here to make it. Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show?
Difficulty.
I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the f out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, yeah, go. Take control of fate now. Now drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could f***ing break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy. This way daily. Life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my feelings over. And I will never give those who hold me down.
Go suck up missile.
You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta
That's really close to the ghost. Woo! That was cool. He's like,
He's a little lopsided.
He's been into the schnapps, okay?
hey, I was just looking at him. I was checking him out. That's all.
He doesn't have that weird bird disease, okay?
Okay. Hey everybody!
I hope you liked the video. If you guys do, we'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You'll get to see more things like our wonderful ghost back there that dances and flashes. More fireworks maybe. They're expensive and they're hard to find. Welcome to rural life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Till
Bye
next
for
time.
now.